This child will have none of the kid toothpaste. So he gets the adult toothpaste out after I brush his teeth with the kid toothpaste. Can you figure out how to do it, honey? Yeah? Whoa, good job, honey. Good job. Good job, baby. Are you doing a good job brushing your teeth? Yeah. Wow, look at you get those chompers. Look at you get those chompers. Uh-oh. You okay? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.